Psalm 100. Reading today from the New International Version. Verse 1. Shout for joy to the Lord, all the earth. 2. Worship the Lord with gladness. Come before him with joyful songs. 3. Know that the Lord is God. It is he who made us, and we are his. We are his people, the sheep of his pasture. 4. Enter his gates with thanksgiving and his courts with praise. Give thanks to him and praise his name. 5. For the Lord is good and his love endures forever. His faithfulness continues through all generations. Psalm 100. Reading today from the Common English Bible. Verse 1. Shout triumphantly to the Lord, all the earth. Serve the Lord with celebration. Come before him with shouts of joy. 3. Know that the Lord is God. He made us. We belong to him. We are his people, the sheep of his own pasture. 4. Enter his gates with thanks. Enter his courtyards with praise. Thank him. Bless his name. 5. Because the Lord is good. His loyal love lasts forever. His faithfulness lasts generation after generation.